How to link MetaMask to OpenSea. Before we continue, I encourage you to join the official Lonely AstroBears Discord server. Anyone interested in joining the NFT space are free to join. And even better if you have questions that our videos have not been able to answer. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen, or you may click the link in the description. Ngayon, babalik naman tayo sa OpenSea. I-hover mo lang ang cursor mo sa profile icon sa top right corner sa screen mo. Then, click Profile. Here, you will see again yung choices ng Ethereum wallets na pwede mong pagpilian. Click MetaMask and log into your wallet. Click Next and then Connect to officially connect your MetaMask wallet to OpenSea. Now, your OpenSea account is ready. Feel free to customize your personal details as you go. That concludes Chapter 2 of the basics of NFT. In the next chapter, we will be talking about the conceptualization and the building of your artwork. If this video helped you, we only ask that you like the video and subscribe to this channel and pay the knowledge forward. Help out those who are also trying to learn the basics. If you were stuck on any part of this tutorial, don't forget to join our free Discord server where you can clarify and ask questions about anything NFT and art.